Dilip Bhat is now joining us, owner and MD of Prabhudas Lilladher. Dilip, hi, good afternoon. What are your thoughts first on IT? Because you're seeing a strong bounce for the last 3 or 4 days now. Do you reckon this is just a sort of a dead cat bounce, or is this start of something big?
Well, I think we all know that IT and pharma are the two sectors which have considerably lagged behind in the last 1.5 years, and more so in the recent times, despite the index showing a good movement. So I think IT was one of the sectors which we had been telling, IT and even pharma, as what I am trying to say right now, that these are the two sectors which hold out a very good hope for a good rise in some of the counters in IT as well as in pharma. And one should not forget that the rupee tailwind, the rupee depreciation tailwind is very strong and solid, and which will take care of a lot of other problems for both the sectors. So I think all said and done, yes, IT looks good for a sustained rise, at least for some time to come in the near term. That's what I think.
Okay, hi Dilip, good afternoon, thanks so much for joining in. Dilip, what about ACC and Ambuja Cements? You know, there was one thought that maybe that open offer is out of the way. There are some people who are trying a short trade. I think that's what's resulting in a bigger up move. The street believes that there's going to be more amount of inorganic growth out there. They believe that savings is going to come about. They're going to cut down on their cost and bridge that cost gap that they've had with Ultratech, with the Shrees as well or the like, and maybe get a better multiple as well. What's your take? ACC is flying away as we speak.
Nigel, let me wish you many happy returns of the day.
Thank you.
And I think coming to ACC and Gujarat Ambuja, I think without any doubt in this sector, one thing you must say that the cash generation throughout has always been pretty good. And the ROEs are also pretty decent, if not good. So I think it makes for a very good combination, and the very fact that cement continues to be a good sector to play for the future, and with the Adani's being in the driver's seat in both the companies, so I think I would say ACC as well as Ambuja are poised for a rise for a variety of reasons, maybe because of the change in the management, because of the proactiveness of the management. I think all those things will play out somewhat initially, and maybe the fundamentals can follow very soon. And as what you very rightly said, the inorganic opportunities will continue to be on the radar. So I would say that though Ambuja and ACC are not cheap, but yes, even from the current levels, it looks good for a reasonably good rise from the current levels.